If you purchased a brand new Chevy 1500 four-wheel drive, especially if it's a Z71 package, you probably realize that running boards would be awful nice. So when I bought mine, I decided right away I had to get running boards. I went on to Amazon, looked around, and after a lot of searching, looking for something that at least appeared to be heavy duty, I was able to kind of check that by looking at the shipping weight of the items, the boards I was looking at. And in the end, I settled on these boards by ONINE. I thought they looked really sharp. They were heavy and very affordable, which is good because I don't have a lot of money to spend. So anyway, it's a quick video. It just shows you what you get in the box and what it looks like when it's done, and some impressions. So let's start the video. ONINE running boards. Just got them from Amazon, and I'm going to be installing them. I am not going to do a full unboxing and installation video, but I just want to at least give a brief intro. I will say one thing about these boards: they are heavy. I mean, they are really heavy. I'm very excited to install them. So here we go. And this is how the running boards come in the box. Actually pretty well secured. These are the parts that come inside the box. It has your brackets. It has the little connecting brackets to connect the running boards, the associated hardware, the parts list with some very, very basic instructions, the bolts to connect the mounting brackets to the body. And that's it, other than the running boards themselves. Okay, the first side is done. Really straightforward, really easy. You obviously have some adjustment in and out. I pulled mine out a little bit more because I wanted maximum step, plus maybe a little bit of protection from door dings. And yeah, it's solid, it does not move. So pretty happy with it so far. It wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't 102 degrees right now and getting hotter. But thankfully the other side of the truck is in the shade. So let's just get going on it before it hits 110. All right, we'll be back. A quart of water and 32 bolts later, it is done. And good thing, because it is really, really hot out here. The boards look good. At least you get to see how it looks on a red car. Red hot Chevrolet. Let me back up a little bit. That's how it looks. Hopefully there's no glare from the sun. Looks pretty good. How far do the 7-inch boards stick out? Oh, you be the judge. I'm going to say about an inch, maybe? Come around to the front. Sticks out a little more than the wheels. I'd say about 1 inch, which I'm glad I really got 7-inch boards, to be totally honest. So there it is. Other than that, the install was easy. I mean, I don't know, maybe it took me an hour by myself, but it was nothing. Okay, very happy with these ONINE boards. I think they look great. They do not flex when I get in. And even though I have them pulled out pretty good, you don't really see the brackets until you get back. So yeah, very happy indeed. All right, that's all for now. Okay, so I've had these boards installed in the truck now for about a month and a half, and they have just not a scratch on them, not a ding. Whatever that coating is, it is tough. And and I'm coming in and out of the truck on, I'm walking on sand and gravel and then getting into the truck. So it's definitely had some abrasive material on it, and it hasn't shown any signs of wear at all. So very happy with the protective coating, whatever it is, paint, epoxy, I don't know. I just know it's good. No issues at all. None of the bolts have come loose. All I can tell you is that if you buy a set of these for your 1500 crew, you're going to like them. I mean, they're going to do the job, and they're going to do it well. So anyway, take that for what it's worth. Hope you enjoyed the video. So have fun out there and be safe.